Okay, so we are done with the worksheet chart. So we go to worksheet sorting. So click this sorting. All right. And then this is your table. So Ebola 2026 sorting and formatting practice. And then these are your tasks. Okay, we have task 1, we have task 2, we have task 3, we have task 4. Okay, so let us begin. Let us perform task 1. Format cell range F6 to F15 to percentage with 2 decimal places. So you go to F6. So this one is your F6. And then highlight this one and then go down to F15. And then from the home tab, number, you click this one, percentage. Okay? And then next is format this into what? 2 decimal places. So again, from home tab, number. So click this to increase decimal. So click this 2 times, 1 and then 2. So we have now percentage format in F6 to F15 and it is in 2 decimal places. So let's go now to number 2. So format cell range E6 to E15 with 4 decimal places. So go to E6. So this is E6 and then highlight, go down, okay, to E15. And then from home tab, number, and then again select this increase decimal. And then we will click it 4 times. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So now this E6 to E15 is formatted into a 4 decimal places. So we go now to number 3 task. Sort the least Ebola response B15 to H15 by response score in largest to smallest order. Okay, so we highlight B5. Okay, by the way, we're going to use sorting here. So this one, we will use this. But before that, we must highlight B5. Start with B5. Where is B? And then this is 5. And then you go where? To H15. Okay? So from B5, go to H. This is H and then 15. Yeah. So that is H15. So using the sort, okay, and filter, click the arrow down. And then you count 1, 2, 3. We will use the custom sort. Okay? So click this. And then you will see a column here, a sort on here, and then the order. In a column, sort by, it is mentioned here, response score. Okay? So click the arrow down and then look for response score. So this. So click this one. And then in sort on values, no change here. And then the order is what? Largest to smaller. So you click arrow down here and then click largest to smallest. So click this one. Okay, after that, you click OK. So after you click OK, so read the next task. After sort, which area health zone comes first with the highest response score? So this is the response score. The highest is 94. And then the area health zone is Wampara Health Area. So you must enter your answer here. Okay? So that is R and then Wampara and then space and then health and then space area. Okay? And then you click outside. So that is the last task for sorting.